Hey guys, it's Pam here. I noticed in my last vlog that I did, there was some wind that it picked up. And today I'm going to do a quick video with you on trying to use a windshield noise reduction cover for the GoPro 8. I'm going to explain to you why walking is so awesome. The older versions of the GoPro, you can see that it is covered in a protective case, which helps a bit with protection and noise. But on the newer model, the GoPro Hero 8, it's just the camera with the leg extensions, and it's not really protected by anything for the wind. So I bought this little foam cover. It's purely foam, and I'm going to try and use that to see if it keeps out the wind. So let's put it in. So it covers the GoPro quite well, leaves the lens exposed, and the display screen, all your buttons are still exposed, and the legs are still exposed with your display at the back. So let's go check out this foam cover on the GoPro, this windshield protector. It also serves as quite a nice case protection cover for the GoPro, as well as being a windshield noise reduction cover. Let's go check out how this fares in the wind. I'm here at Delta Park and testing out the windshield on the GoPro. Let's see if we can hear this noise on the audio, or if the windshield actually helps. I've taken the windshield off in the same spot. Wonder what the sound is like now. The wind's died down a little bit though. That's a pity. Testing with the shield on. I wonder how the sound comes out if there is the wind noise with the shield on. The little windshield does quite well in the wind. It keeps out a lot of the wind, and the audio is quite clean. So I would definitely recommend this foam cover. It's a great cover, and it's only about $12, so well worth the spend. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.